Yeah, sure. It's a falling knife. Look at it, right? From 37 all the way to 37, all the way to right to here 10, right? We're not gonna be intimidated, right? If we don't see a clean break, we're gonna continue being long because the price is going to 20. You know it's going to 20. That's what I told you half an hour ago. We're going to 20. That's 19 quarter, right? Okay, so smart money tries to it's a bear trap. All the teenagers on YouTube went short on their demo account, right? They could have swear the price is gonna go down, but they don't know how the price is gonna go down. We, on the other hand, know exactly that we are in an area of demand, and the price is gonna break 14. It's gonna go to 20. We've known that for half an hour already. Have we not? Okay. All right. So Grace, no clean break to the downside. We continue with my forecast that the price is gonna go to 20, right? I told you we are going, all of us together. We're gonna see the confirmation. Bam! That's right. We all saw it together. The confirmation, right? Okay, we saw it. Okay, and come on, right? Please, come on, give me a break right here. Okay, all righty then. Okay, so that's 20 and change, right? So remember what I've been saying since 9 a.m. This is a micro channel which we believe is support. Price is gonna break the high and it's gonna continue to 20. This is the main play. But what does the smart money do first? Well, they take it down to to take the stop of the weak bull, right? And to lure the teenagers on YouTube to go short, right? That's exactly what they did. We, on the other hand, know for half an hour the importance of this area of demand support. And not only we know that, we also know the future. We know that the price is gonna take 14 and continue going to 20, and now we're getting a nice couple of point bonus, 22. Main play is long, and I told you, you do not change direction. We don't change hats until I tell you, right? So I guide you from 9 a.m. all the way to the open by telling you, keep on buying, keep on buying. What if we're wrong and the price is going to continue going down? Well, a clean break of 13 is going to tell us. Never clean break of 13, and I never change hat, did I? I never change hats to bear, did I, right? On the contrary, I told you, get back in new position because we're going to 20. Bam, that's 24. I tell you, fear money's never gonna make it. Greed money, they have a chance depending on their greed, but it's not good either because you're not gonna be a superstar, right? You have to be emotionless money. But fear money, that, my friend, you can count, is not gonna happen. All right. So a couple of years ago, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange decided to create a new instrument, the micros. Oh my God! One point is $5. Anybody that is afraid of $5, right? Because if you don't have money, if you have a small account, if trade the micros, and you're not gonna buy a Lamborghini, you're not gonna be surrounded by babes, you're not gonna have a yacht, you're not gonna have all the stuff that the teenagers have on YouTube, but you're gonna learn how to do this if you're in this room. You're gonna learn how this thing is really, really done. Okay. All right. So when I started 40 years ago, the ES didn't exist. All right, so the multiplier, my friend, was $500 for 1 point. And then it went to 250, and then they created the ES in 1997 to 50, and then we all started breathing a little bit because the only ones that could trade the S&P 500 was Deutsche Bank. Who the hell, who retail is going to trade this at a multiplier of 500 or 250? With the 50, we had a chance. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you have the micro. Are you kidding me? You cannot be more lucky. So listen, this is very important. Later on, I am expecting the price to indeed go to 05. Alrighty. So the longer term, we do this all the time, right? The longer term move is down. All right. But we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna stop. Right. We are all long 10, 11, 12, right? We are all long here below 13 because we knew that the smart money was going to trap the bears. We knew that, right? How did we know that? I told you we were in an area of demand. We were in a support. All of 13, 15 was an area of support. 13, 15 was an area of support, right? And I never changed hat, right, Mistake?
That's right.
Okay.
I never changed hat.
And I said it was gonna go to 20, right? When the volume came, that's it. Stop, break even, start trailing.
That's right.
All right. So it's no reason for you at all whatsoever to get out at 20, right? Look, green, 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 right? Boom! It goes to 24, and finally, a red candle right here for those of you who trade candles. Right? It doesn't matter. You can trade bars, candle, Rickenacci, Hackenacci. It doesn't matter to me. Right? So 24, right? Okay. All righty? Okay, so I'm going to say that again. This 14 right here is where all these teenagers and all the girls on YouTube, all those, all of a sudden genius traders, all of those traders that make millions, right? All of those boys and girls on YouTube, right? Those who dare to trade live. Nobody dares to not only trade live in front of a studio audience. They're not gonna read the market as it's happening, right? Like we do here every day. But let's say that what they're doing right now, hiding, is their stop is 14. That's easy, right? For us, 14, it's support. Okay, and our job is to go to target 2, and I'm looking for it. I want to see what the target 2 is. So, all right, so yeah, that's right. So, okay, so what else? So what is the pullback? Right, 16, right? All right, so we know that 16 and 13, 14. We know that that's gonna be a no man's land right here. 13, 16. These 3 points, right? For us, it's a poor, okay? But we don't want the price to take this. We don't want the price to take this. This is nothing. This low right here, 16. That's not even a swing low. It's a pivot low. All right. So it's weak. It can be easily taken. All right. Smart money can easily take 16, but they cannot easily take 14, 13, 12. That's not gonna happen. All right. So our job now is to go to target 2 that I'm looking for. I don't know where it is yet. All right, because this is being a tough. Right. Okay. And okay. So and Grace, we're always right. So once we have a forecast, when we have a play, once we have a plan. All right. So this is what we think is going to happen, because remember, we're all about the future. We have a prediction addiction here. That's our edge. When I told you the price is going to 20, right? When I told you the price was going to 20, and when I told you, hey, listen, we wanna be long all of this, right? 12, 13, nothing happened. We wanna be long, right? None of this had happened already. So that's a projection. That's a prediction, right? That's a crystal ball, right? Because when I told you price is going to 20, price was right here at 10, right? 10, 20, 10 points, 24, 4-point bonus, right? That's a crystal ball. That's what we do here. That's what we are all about. All right. When we know the future, then we play it. All righty. Okay. I don't want to sound arrogant because that'd be stupid. The second the market finds out that I know all of this, it's gonna teach me a lesson. All right. So I'm gonna do all in my power not to sound arrogant. But I have to tell you this the way I'm saying it so that you believe in this system. All right. So 13, 16. It's gonna be no man's land. We have to be really careful, right? We are expecting the price not to break 13. We are expecting the price to break 24 and continue to. I don't know if it's gonna go back to 37 or not. I don't know that yet. I'm waiting for Goldman to call me, right? But then, what if, right? We're always thinking, what if? What if we're wrong and the price doesn't take 24 and it recalls, it goes back, it breaks 14, 16, and it goes down. Where is it going to go? It's going to go to 05. Until I tell you different, this is where it's going. All righty? Okay. So far, so good? Yeah, so far, so good. All right, so let's go ahead and put a little thing here. What's the low? 990. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 31 is back in business. 31. Okay, so listen to me. All right, so what are we expecting to happen? 31. That's going to be target 2. All right? So 31 right there. So this is what we think. Because remember, we trade what we think, what we believe. We trade the future, right? That's what we trade. That's our edge. We also trade what we see, of course. But that's not going to give us an edge. Everybody, good, professional, consistently profitable traders, a lot of them trade what they see. There's nothing wrong with that. It's okay to trade what you see. You will never be at the level that we are. All right, if you trade what you see, you're going to be good, you're going to be profitable, but you will never be a star like we are here. Never. You have to trade what you think. You have to have coconuts. All righty? So, this is what we think is going to happen next. Price is going to break 24. It's going to continue to 31. That's what we think is going to happen next. All righty? Okay, but we're always thinking what if, right? Because that's why trading is so tough. So we need to protect ourselves. All righty? So, Gracie, listen to this. 16 is a pivot low right here, right? So, you're supposed to be long right here, the low. 10, 11, 12, 13, 12. You knew the price, you knew the odds were that the price was going to go to 20. It went to 24, so you're good, right? So, you're up 10 points right here. You have 2 more units left, target 2 and target 3, right? The main play is long. We have not countered. We did not short 24. We haven't taken any shorts today yet. We do it all the time, right? Many times we have a short and a long play going. Many times. Today, we don't have any. Yesterday, we didn't have any either. Remember when the price went down and I told you we're not gonna buy it. We're gonna continue selling short. We're not gonna buy it, and that buy was beautiful, right? Okay. According to our rules, we should have bought it because it was a snake, and that was the low. So had we buy it, we would have bought 2 Lamborghinis. Yes, right? But I told you not to. All right, the risk was too much. The manipulation was too big. People have no clue when the smart money is manipulating the price. They just have no idea. I do. All right? So I decided, no, we're not going to do it. We're going to concentrate on one play. This is yesterday. Right? I'm bringing yesterday because it's fresh in our mind. Look at the video. Right? Right now, we're long, main play, and we're not short. Price hasn't gone to any of our strong resistances. All right. That 20 was a destination. It wasn't a target. 31 is a target. 20 was a destination. So sure, took some profits right there. 20, right? 20. You pulse it out. You saw the price taking 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. My God, you have 4-point bonus. You're happy, right? So you know that locking there was proper, right? Because I told you this is where the price is going to go on the first leg. But I never said it's a target. 20 is target one. No. 31 is a target one. And I'm going to tell you this. We're gonna be looking to counter trend short 31 because guess what? The price is not gonna clean take 31. That's not gonna happen. All right. I know bears. They're gonna hit 31 really good. Right. We need to know at all times where are the main levels of support, resistance, and then as the price is moving and we're watching it and we're analyzing it, then we make a decision. All right, this is going to be a target. This is going to be a trail. This is going to be the stop. This is going to be a target. This is where it's going. Target 1, target 2. Okay, so we're going to stop right here. The market conditions are this, and that. Okay, the market mood is now nasty. Get the hell out. That's day trading at the utmost quality of professionalism. Right? That's just too much. All right, 24. All right. So it's gotta be a reason why the other rooms are so cheap, right? They charge 149 bucks. That's what they charge. Right? Okay. You are at a totally different level. You guys, you really want to make it. 20 was not a target. All right, 20 was a destination. We knew when we went long right here, the low, right? Below 13, we went long, right? I never changed that. I told you price. This is an area of support, an area of demand. Like the teenagers, they already they find out about that terminology. And 31, ladies and gentlemen, is target one. Yeah, I know you logged some points right here at 24, right? We saw it, green. We saw it going up, not stopping. Boom! Then you log 22. It's okay. I'm okay with that. But what I need you to know is that here, this 22, 24, it's not target one. Target one is 31. That's target one. So in other words, we've known that the price was going to take 24 and continue going up to 31. Okay, it's on its way. All right. Okay, it's on its way. So far, so good. And what else do we need to pay attention to? Well, we need to pay attention to the trail rise, right? So price pulls back to 16. And then we always have to be concerned about the what if. What if our forecast is that the price, just like we had a forecast before, price is going to take 14, it's going to go to 20. We have another forecast again. Price is going to take 24, and we knew it way before it took it, and it's going to go to 31, right? So that's another forecast, right? Okay, terrific. So, okay, so we need to see every single level of support and resistance. Market is dynamic. Everything is changing all the time. 31 is target one. We have not taken any shorts today. Like yesterday, we didn't take any shorts yesterday, remember? Yesterday, we didn't take any short counter trend, right? Because the shape of the market and the manipulation was too big, right? So it was too risky to counter trend yesterday, right? So we 70% of the time we have a long we have a main play and a counter trend going most of the time. Yesterday we didn't. Today we haven't taken any shorts yet. However, remember what I told you half an hour ago. 31 will not be taken. Oh, gee, look at that. Look at that, right? So remember I just told you that the bears they're gonna hit 31. They're jumping the gun. That's how much they know the strength of 31. So they're jumping the gun 28. Look at it. All right. We wanted to counter trend short 31 and take advantage of this drop. Look at it. I told you 5 minutes ago. Look at it. God, look the drop where to. Right? The pivot low right here. Remember I told you? Pivot low, right? Now this is another falling knife. What is this action telling you? That you better reduce your position size, because this smart money is getting vicious. It's not moving rhythmically. Look at it. First, it tried. First at the open, a bear trap, right? It trapped a lot of teenagers right here, and then beautiful. We knew it. We knew the future. We went long and trail, right? Okay, so we never let a winner turn into a loser. So we had a long 12, right? 12 right here, 12, 11. That gave us 28. That's pretty good. 15 points, right? And then we are stop, break even, start trailing. Remember what I told you about 16, right? This is where all these scare money have to stop. Goldman needs to take it all the way to 16 to take your stop, to take you out. We, on the other hand, as long as I don't change hat, right? For us, 16 right here, this 16 is not a stop. It's an add to a winner. You have to be fast. Boom, add to a winner, right? It goes from 16 all the way to 19, 3 points, and then it's going right back down. Take a look at your P&L right now. Get the hell out, right? Because what happened? Look at it. Look at this 180. This is tough action after a falling knife, right? It's very scary. All right? So get the hell out. Don't let it go red. We never let a winner turn into a loser. But long-term direction, we are still bullish until I tell you otherwise. All righty? So what's the next support? Well, the next support is right here. 9, 12. 9, 12, 13. This is no man's land right here. This one, 13, 16 is no man's land. Okay? Smart money is having a ball, taking the stops of all the weeks, right? You don't want to, we're almost on phase 7 right now. Okay? We know this is a no man's land, 13, 16. We've known that for 45 minutes. All right? So then we're taking it easy right there. We wanted the price to go to 31. I told you we were going to counter trend short 31. Price only went to 28, so we didn't have a chance to counter trend short 31. But in our mind, we have to think, the bears just took control, man. Oh my God. If only price had gone to 31, I'd be short right now, and I'll be buying another Lamborghini, but it didn't. Oh my God. Well, yeah, that's right. There is a lot of manipulation today, again, like yesterday. All right, so we have to be careful today. All this week is being like that. The only way for a trader, you guys, all of you, to be able to follow a lead trader in a trading room is you need to know the big picture. Because yes, I know we're scalpers, but remember, we scalp 20, 30, 40, 50 points. Whatever the market want to give us, right? All right. Remember 14? Remember what I told you, the importance of 14. Where did the price go? Look at that, 14 half. Remember I told you 14? It's not going to take 14. Remember? Okay. We know the importance of the strength of 14. We know it. All right, look at that. Price goes to 14 change, right? Look at that. It takes the low because this is the 16th quarter. That's where all the teenagers have the stuff. And, right, but it cannot even touch hour 14. Cannot touch it, right? And then boom. Okay, so what do we need to pay attention to? We need to pay attention to the rhythm of the market. No, Gabi, I can't go to phase 7, man. I haven't made my goal yet. What the hell are you talking about goal? Forget about that. What do you mean goal? We don't have a goal. I don't have a goal. What the hell are you talking about? Yeah, I have to make $1,000 every day. Are you kidding me? If the market gives me five grand, well, why am I going to stop at 1,000? What's the matter with you? Right? I don't have a goal. All right. My goal is to pay attention to what the market is telling me and act accordingly. All right. If all this week is being like the way it's been, really not only chop, but erratic market in a bad mood, it just so happened. I don't know. I didn't know this week was gonna be like that, right? Hardly ever, it's summer, all of a sudden this and that, whatever. I'm gonna do whatever the market tells me to do. So why do you think we've been wanting to short 31 so much? Because after my 36, 7 years of trading the S&P 500 and watching the chart, I'm expecting later on a change of hats. Okay, yeah, that's right. Right now the main play is long, and every time price goes to our support, we're gonna buy it. Right, we're gonna buy it every time it goes to support, expecting the price to go to 31. That's our objective. The main objective to go to 31, target one. In the meantime, of course, I mean, we bought right here 14, right, 15, and price goes in a couple of minutes all the way to 27. You give us 11 points. I'm not gonna get mad at you if you took 10 points, right? And then look at the market move. Look at what happened. Bagata, right? From 28, look at that drop. Look at this 10-point drop, right? Look at that. 11 points up, 10 points drop, 12 point, 10 points of a tumble, right? This is the market move. That's what I've been telling you. Reduce your risk. This is extremely risky action. It's not like this all the time. This week it's been like that. What do you want me to do? All right. Okay. So I am expecting eventually to hold on a second. I'm just gonna tell you. I'm expecting the price I'm expecting us to listen to this. I'm expecting to change hats, meaning I'm expecting to change direction to bear. I'm just waiting for Goldman to call me. But I'm telling you, it's not. We don't have confirmation yet. But I think that we're gonna change direction to bear, and that's why I have been just hoping and expecting, right? Hoping is not a strategy in trading, is it? Right? That's why I've been wanting for the price to go to 31, because this is my first 31, 33, right? It's my first area of resistance to take a counter trend. If we're wrong, well, we get the hell out, right? Big deal. I mean, how much do we have already? All right. So listen to this, because I'm expecting to later on change hats to bear. I wouldn't mind catching the level of resistance strong enough to give me an entry at the beginning of the move. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean, Capi. Exactly. All right, so where is he gonna go? Okay, hold on a second. Where do you think it's gonna go? Where do you think it's gonna go? Anybody? Tell me, where do you think I wanna ride from 33 to where? That's right, 4,000 by way of 05. All right, by way of 05. This is what I think is gonna happen later on. All righty, yeah, 4,000, of course, by way of 05. Remember, The bears, they want to take it to 05. That's target one for them. Hopefully, I've been able to scare all of you into reducing your risk on today's action, right? Okay, because we can tell that the market is vicious. All right, so yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. 33, we're gonna pulse it out. We know that a clean break of 28 price is gonna give us 33, right? And then we have to watch it, and we have a double top. All the teenagers know 37 is a double top, right? Right? Listen to me. Sure, it's gonna work, but but our target two, write this down, right? Our target two for the current long position that we are on is 44.44. That's target two. Okay? Okay. And target one is right here, 31. Okay? And then shenanigans, 31, 33, and then a double top, 37, and then longer term, I'm expecting, I'm expecting, all right, let's see, what the hell is this? I'm expecting 05, and of course the psychological level, 400. We're gonna bring down target two. Are you kidding me? To 40. All right. No, 41. Okay. Target two is 41. We're gonna bring it down from 44 to 41. That's the target. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna pulse it out. We're gonna see if the price goes there, which I don't see it. Remember what I told you, right? Okay. As long as, let me see here. Boom, here it is. 30, here, 33. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this 31. No, hold on a second. Yeah. All right. Okay. 31 is target one. Okay. 31 is target one. Okay. This is our job. Main play long. We wanted, right? Of course, we've been locking points all this time, right? We need to continue watching the action, right? So that, and we know what our points of support and resistance are. Okay. When the price goes to 31, if it goes to 31, then we know that target one has been officially hit. However, I'm gonna tell you this, and 31, right? I do not see 33 being taken. So this target 244, 44, 41, I don't see that happening. All right. So, but I don't have confirmation, but I believe that we will have to change hats to bear because the price is looking to take this supports right here and continue to 405. Okay. We haven't had a chance to take a counter trend 31, 33. Price just cannot take 28, right? So that's what we think is going to happen. So if we think that that's what's going to, we think, right? Remember, we trade what we think. Then what are we going to do? Well, we're going to be really picky on our continue going long support. What needs to happen for the main play long that we are on right now to be, Grace, this is for you, to be invalidated? Invalidated means that's it. We're no longer interested. That setup is gone. Well, then the price needs to destroy the strongest point of support of that setup, and then it would invalidate the setup, and then we'll take it from there. All right. Okay. So our Support 13, 14, still working. Remember, this is the stop of the scare money. It is our add to a winner on and our establish a new position long on the main play that has not been invalidated, expecting the price to go all the way to 31, 33, right? Target 1, 31. And then, of course, we have to see how it's going to get there. And then 31, and then 10 more points up to target 2, 41. However, I can tell that that's going to be a fishy, right? Because I don't have confirmation yet, and that's why we're gonna remain bullish, expecting the price to go to 31, right? But I have um, I have reasons to believe that we're gonna change hats later on and ride a short position all the way to 05. All right, I'm just giving you a heads up. It is not official yet, so we're gonna continue buying support and expecting the price to do what we say it's gonna do. Target 1, double top, squeeze, target 2. Right? Is this chop? Is this massive chop lifting the price? 28, 13, 13, 28, 28, 13, 13, 28, 28, 13. Is it worth trading? Well, only if you do exactly what I'm telling you to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So target 1 beautifully hit. Okay, so our longer term methodology, target 131, squeeze 33, right? It's right there, right? Okay, okay. And we continue letting it ride. We know, I told you everything, right? 31, 33, it's resistance. We have to see how it gets there. It's getting there beautifully, right? We know it's not gonna be a clean break because this is our longer term follow methodology, right? 31, 33. It's a counter trend short. Now, let me ask you a very simple question. What time it is right now? 11:30. Right at 11:30. Okay, when the official show begins, right? So taking a new position from now on all the way until the close, it doubles in risk. All right. However, you know, we've seen this before many times, have we not? Okay. So target 1 officially achieved from our add to a winner established new position long 13, 14, all the way to 32. Look. Alrighty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's our 33. Look at it. So it goes to our lower range of the 2 points. 2 point range only, 31, 33. And it goes to the mid range also, 32. Beautiful. And look at the pullback. Recuperate goes to our second resistance. So target 1 officially conquer, and look at the other pullback. So tell me, do we know our levels of support and resistance? All right, so target 1 officially hit, on our way to target 2. Of course, remember that as long as I don't change hats, We continue with the main play, right? That's it. Okay. Also, what time it is right now? It's 11:52, right? So we know that official job began all the way until the afternoon, all the way until the close. I'll be around. I'll be watching the action, and we'll take it from there. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. You're gonna follow somebody. You have to see him or her, your lead trader, read the market to you live, real time, as it's happening, like I'm doing right now. None of that garbage after the fact teaching. All these vendors teaching after the fact, right? Showing you a chart that already happened and telling you, oh, this is what I did. This is what I should do. This is, right? None of that garbage.